jalapeno bites. Let me show you how to make it. Fried jalapeno bites. Chabot. Get you 8 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese. Room temp. Onion powder. Garlic salt. Get you some pepper. Get you about 6 pieces of bacon, cooked. We are going to mix that. Get you some cheese. We're going to add that in here as well. Brown with the butter knife. Pull out. Round with the butter knife. Get you a sandwich bag. We are going to stuff our filling inside. Down. And once it's filled up, it should look like once you slice them up. Panko breadcrumbs. 2 eggs. Some buffalo sauce. Is what they should look like once they're covered in panko crumbs. Get you some hot oil. Add them in. Delicious donut hose. So easy and simple. Get you a can of biscuits. Cut them suckers up. Dice them however way you prefer. Get you some vegetable oil and get it nice and hot. And then just drop them bad boys right down in there. And then just mix them around so they can get evenly cooked. And then get you a rack so you can drain the grease off of them. And then get you some powdered sugar and some milk. Just a little tiny milk. That's all you will need is like a tiny drop of milk. And then drizzle that bad boy right over top of them little donut hose. That is it. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Chicken bacon ranch tater tot casserole. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Delish. Yeah, Bo, my gorgeous, gorgeous Bo. Get you some kind of chicken. I'm using rotisserie chicken. We need 2.5 cups. 1 can. It's 10.5 ounces of cream of chicken. Half of a cup of whole milk, or whatever kind of milk you prefer. Some ranch seasoning. You can use the packs or whatever. I have the shaker. Give that a good mix. Get you some Covey Jack. We're going to use about 1/2 cup. A safe baking dish. If you love cheese like us, we're going to sprinkle some on the top of here. You can use whatever cheese you prefer. Get you some crispy tater tots. Get your Covey Jack. Add on to the top. Get you some more ranch seasoning. Sprinkle some on the top. Cover with some foil. Preheat your oven to 350. Bake for 45 minutes. Once it's done cooking, you're going to remove the foil and bake for additional 5 minutes. Delicious macaroni salad. Let me show you how to make it my mother-in-law's way. Delicious macaroni salad. Use some hamburger chips, pickles. Get you some macaroni elbow noodles, cook them according to the package, and drained. Get you some mayonnaise, anything that's on sale. I do not judge, I use it all. Salt, pepper, to taste. I found these at the Dollar Tree. They work so good. Here's one of them. They work so good. Look. 3 boiled eggs. We are going to cut them up and add them in here. Chicken bacon ranch pasta salad. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Delish. Let's get a big bite of everything. Mini pasta shells. Add that in. I rinsed them. Use some kind of chicken. If you prefer cooking it, cook it. If not, get you about 2 cups of chicken. We're going to straight it up really good. Got 4 bacon strips and cut them up. I have a little bit of red onion and some tomatoes sliced up. I'm going to add them in here. I'm using Miracle Whip. I'm using a 1/2 cup. I'm using 1/2 of Daisy. A dash of milk. Some Parmesan cheese. Ranch. You can use the pack, whatever you prefer. Pepper. Give it a good mix. Garnish it with some fresh parsley. Get rest of your bacon that you have and put it on the top. Mini fruit pizza. Let me show you how to make them the Tasha's way. Delish. Your pan, grease it. Get you some sugar cookies. You can make them homemade or do it this way. Just like that. Put it in the oven for however long the package says. Get you some fruit, cut it up, whatever kind you want. I got strawberries, kiwi, and grapes. Oh my gorgeous, gorgeous bow. Get you an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. Get you a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. About a teaspoon of vanilla until good and smooth. Cookies completely cool. Get your cream cheese mixture. Spread it on the top. Don't be stingy. Get your fruit. Add it on the top.